I'm Pranvin Hassan. It's been a long time and I hope you're all doing fine. So, about a year ago, I made a video called How to Get Free Audiobooks with No Strings Attached. And in the past year, that video has received a tremendous amount of love and appreciation. And over these 10 months since I uploaded the video, I have come across a few more websites which give free audiobooks with no strings attached, no subscriptions, no email or Gmail IDs required. So, I decided to make another video to share those websites with you apart from the ones I mentioned in the part 1. So this is going to be a sequel to the how to get free audiobooks video, this is part 2. And the reason for me making this video is the main concern of everyone who watched that video is that you couldn't change the speed or increase the speed of the audio in VK website or Golden Audiobook website or Archive website. So that troubled me a lot because even I couldn't listen to audiobooks at such a slow speed as some of them are recorded at. So I have discovered another website in which you can change the audio speed, save your location where you're stopping the audio, and even set a sleep timer and an alarm timer, and it has been amazing, and I want to share that website with you. So without any further delay, let's move to the video. Before we get started with the websites, I would like you to know that my neighbors are growing chickens. I don't know how they are allowed to do that in a residential area, but they are doing it, and there's going to be a lot of racket throughout this video, so please ignore it and let's get started with the websites. The first website I'm going to talk about addresses the concern of not being able to change the speed of the audio. So that website is the Zero Avenue. The Zero Avenue is the most incredible free audiobook website ever. So I found this website when I was searching for the audiobook of The Invisible Life of Addie LaRue by V. Schwab. I found the audiobook for it on VK, but somehow the audio file got corrupted on the upload and there was a lot of disturbance in the audio. So I found the Zero Avenue. The Zero Avenue has everything you could ever ask for in an audiobook website. You can save your location when you close the tab. So if you're listening to an audio file and on a track, example track 6, and you want to save your location 7 minutes 16 seconds, in VK and in Golden Audiobooks and Archive, you can save your location until you close the tab. Once you close the tab or close the window, the location is gone. But in Zero Avenue, your location will be saved forever. So if you come back after 5 days, cleanse your RAM and ROM something, even then your location will still be saved, and when you open the website, your audio is still going to be on track 6, 7 minutes 16 seconds. That is one of the most incredible things ever, because I always had the trouble with VK that whenever I closed the window, the location would be gone and I had to come back and search where was the last time I left it off. And the second biggest concern this website solves is the concern of changing the speed. So many people have asked me on the previous video of how can I change the speed, how can I increase or decrease the audio speed. In this website, you can increase the speed of up to 1.75 times and decrease it up to 0.5 times. This is such a huge advantage because not everyone wants to listen to the audiobook at the same speed. Some might want to decrease the speed and some might want to increase the speed. And when you're listening to free audiobooks, usually you don't have the luxury of changing the speed. But the Zero Avenue is an amazing boon to people like us who want to change the speed. So Zero Avenue gives you the ability to change the speed as well. And the third is you can share the audio track. In VK and in Golden Audiobooks, if you wanted to share the book, you had to share the location of share the address of the website. But here you can share the track. I don't know how that works, but it does, and it's amazing. So the Zero Avenue is by far my most favorite website ever for free audiobooks. I've listened to 3 books on it so far. The first one is The Invisible Life of Addie LaRue by V. Schwab. The second one is The Alice Network by Kate Quinn. And the third book, which I'm still listening to, is The Six Wives of Henry VIII by Alison Weir. And I have to say, I am so grateful and so impressed by this website. I don't know how I came across it, but I did, and I hope you'll find it helpful, and yeah, I hope you enjoy it just as much as I do. So the second website I'm going to talk about is recommended by one of my very lovely viewers. I don't remember the name of the subscriber or the viewer. They recommended me Tokibook. Tokibook is a website as well as an app. So you can find it on Play Store. Just type Tokibook and you'll find it. No space between Toki and book. Tokybook. Tokibook is quite similar to VK, but unlike VK, you don't have to create an account in Tokibook. You can just Google, Google in the sense, search the book which you want to listen to, and just click on the audio tracks. This too is, it's a hybrid between VK and the Zero Avenue, because it has the save feature that you can save the location where you last stop the audio, but it doesn't have the speed manipulation like the Zero Avenue does, but it's really helpful. I listened to 2 books on Tokibook. The first one was Spin the Dawn, and the second one was Unravel the Dusk. With both of them I had a lovely experience because the audio quality is impeccable. The tracks are well divided, that is, each track is of length 1 hour, so it's quite easy to remember which hour you stopped your audio at. And yeah, and apart from that, it's free audiobooks, so there's a lot to be grateful for without the speed changing thing. So I'm really happy with that website and the app. I currently use the app, but the website was the audiobook website that I've come across in the past year is audiobookcup.com. So Audiobook Cup is, quite frankly, my least preferred free audiobook website. Don't get me wrong, I'm really thankful and grateful to whoever created this website and uploads these books regularly on the website. They are the best, but this website is the most inconvenient, uncomfortable audiobook website ever. For example, in this website, I listened to the book called 13 Little Blue Envelopes by Maureen Johnson. So if the book is 13 hours long, you get the entire 13 hours in just one track, and it's given in minutes, not even in hours. So you have to precisely remember where you are stopping your audio at, and as soon as you close the tab, your location is gone. As soon as you exit Google on your phone, the location of your audio is gone, and you have to scroll up and down and find your location where you stopped at. And it's quite cumbersome because the scroll bar is so tiny and the time is so large, so it's pretty inaccurate whatever time you set, and it takes forever and ever to load. The bigger the audiobook, the longer it's going to take for the website to be opened. But apart from that, everything else is quite similar to the other websites I mentioned. The audio quality is really good, and the narrators and all are quite genuine. It's a good website, but it's not the best website ever. The best is going to go to the Zero Avenue and VK. Then we have the golden audiobooks, which I mentioned in the last video. Then we have Archive. Now we have Tokibook and audiobookcup.com. And then there's YouTube, the gold mine for audiobooks. So that's it for this video. I hope I've helped you out in a way by recommending these 3 websites, and thank you for the subscriber or viewer who recommended Tokibook to me. It has been quite helpful. And just like the prequel for this video, I hope you'll give this video a lot of love and share it with your loved ones and spread the joy of reading. So thank you very much for watching, and see you later.